Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to connect a ThinkPad docking station to an HP laptop but are not sure where to begin, do not worry because the process is usually easier than it looks. Many people assume a ThinkPad docking station only works with Lenovo devices, but depending on the connection type and compatibility, it can often work with an HP laptop as well. Sometimes users plug everything in and get confused when the monitor, keyboard, or charging does not respond immediately. This usually happens because the setup order or connection method is not correct. The good part is that once the ThinkPad docking station is connected properly, your HP laptop can become much easier to use with extra accessories and displays. In this video, I will show you step by step how to easily connect a ThinkPad docking station to an HP laptop. Try these. Step 1. Connect the power adapter to the ThinkPad docking station and make sure the ThinkPad docking station is turned on properly. Step 2. Connect the ThinkPad docking station cable to the HP laptop using the correct port on the HP laptop. Step 3. Attach accessories like a monitor, keyboard, or mouse to the ThinkPad docking station for the HP laptop setup. Step 4. Open settings on the HP laptop and check if the ThinkPad docking station is detected by the HP laptop. Step 5. Restart the HP laptop while keeping the ThinkPad docking station connected to refresh the ThinkPad docking station connection. Step 6. Test the ThinkPad docking station by checking display, charging, or accessories connected to the HP laptop through the ThinkPad docking station.